Alright folks, this is a short video of our new to us 105th anniversary edition of Harley Davidson Fat Boy. And it's in the it's a 2008 96 cubic inch. We traded in a Softail Standard for this one, and this is my beautiful wife with it, and we're just loving this thing. It gives such a much better ride than the Softail Standard. It feels more stable. Same size engine, same power, just really nice bike. So we love the colors. Everybody's got a black motorcycle, so this is really so much nicer. You can see, custom seat for the anniversary edition, custom badging, and of course the all aluminum wheel. So it's really a nice bike. It's only got like 7,000 miles on it. So we're just in love with this thing right now. Basically a pretty stock bike at this point in time. Nothing really new going on with it. It's got sorry about the noise. It's got a stock exhaust. We're going to get some Vance Hines slip-ons as our first mod. That'll improve the sound a little bit. But otherwise, it is just a gorgeous looking bike. We're really digging it. The wife loves the quality of the ride this one has versus the Softail Standard that we have. And plus, like I said, everybody's got a black Harley. We wanted something a little bit different. So this is what we came up with. And we are just loving it. Honey, you want to try and start it? Okay, so you turn the ignition switch in the center on first. There you go. There you go. Start. Start? No, I think you hit the fuel injection thing and then you click this button to start it. You got to put the fuel pump on first. Okay, now. And that's what the stock Fat Boy sounds like. Okay. Very nice. All right. Yep. So that's what it sounds like. We'll do another video when we get the new slip-ons on. Let you hear what that sounds like. But like I said, we're just loving this thing. Very nice. Nice to cruise on and just enjoy the heck out of it. All right. Well, thanks for watching.